ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our birthday party vocabulary adventure. Today, we will learn 20 fun words you can see at a birthday party. Are you ready? Let's begin. Cake. A sweet treat we eat on birthdays. Cake. Candles. We put them on the cake and blow them out. Candles. Balloon. A round, colorful decoration filled with air. Balloon. Gift. A present we give to someone on their birthday. Gift. Party hat. A fun hat we wear at the party. Party hat. Invitation. A card we send to invite friends. Invitation. Confetti. Small, colorful paper pieces we throw in the air. Confetti. Ice cream. A cold, sweet dessert kids love. Ice cream. Cupcake. A small cake we can hold in our hand. Cupcake. Streamer. Long, colorful paper for decorations. Streamer. Music. Songs we play at the party. Music. Games. Fun activities we play with friends. Games. Clown. A funny person who makes us laugh. Clown. Cookies. Sweet treats we eat with our friends. Cookies. Juice. A tasty drink we share at the party. Juice. Table. Where we put the food and cake. Table. Chair. Where we sit during the party. Chair. Camera. To take pictures of the celebration. Camera. Birthday song. The special song we sing for the birthday boy or girl. Birthday song. Great job, everyone! Now you know 20 new birthday party words. Next time you go to a party, you can use these words and have fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning adventures. See you next time.